Years of neglect have turned this Coca-Cola machine into forgotten history. Every scratch tells the story of decades of abandonment.
Now the complete restoration begins.
Every detail is documented before the rebuild.
The machine is completely dismantled.
Years of dirt and grime begin to disappear. Deep rust is stripped away layer by layer. The cooling system gets a fresh start. Every mechanical part is restored with precision. The original structure is made strong again. Every dent is carefully removed. Every imperfection slowly disappears. The surface is prepared for a flawless finish. A strong foundation is applied. Every detail is perfected before painting. The iconic red color returns. The brilliant finish is locked in forever. The legendary Coca-Cola identity comes back to life. Fresh glass restores its classic appearance. The cooling system is ready once again.
Power flows back into the machine.
Every payment system works like new. The inside is rebuilt with precision.
The machine shines from the inside.
The shelves are finally filled again. Every function performs flawlessly. Every surface now looks showroom perfect. A forgotten classic becomes a masterpiece.
Ready to serve once again.
From rust to refreshment, this Coca-Cola vending machine lives again.